boy. I almost said except for reviews. It's your boy, Still Mafia Reviews, and where's my knife?
I want to upload this
Had
one.
it.
It's right here. I want to upload this one to mine as well.
Alright, go ahead and do you. Alright, so let's go ahead and open.
It just screw it. Yeah, I don't think it. No, it doesn't have a seal. Just screw it.
Ow!
Screw it.
Oh.
I like how that one
These
works.
are ass-kicking ghost pepper jelly beans.
Yep, ass kicking belly beans. Jelly beans. Jelly beans, not belly beans.
I'm gonna grab this orange one.
I'm gonna grab. How many can I have? I'm gonna grab the whole bin. I'm eating 3.
That's all we're having today.
He's
It's gonna be like
having
a 10-second video, but that's okay.
Yeah, we're not gonna have milk.
Nope.
Screw milk. Milk is for wimpies.
Alright,
Milk is for wimps.
You know milk's good.
Yep.
Alright, here we go. I'm gonna try red one. Let's
I'm gonna
think
try
it.
orange. Dink. They're not kicking anything.
Ooh, ooh, no.
Did you get it?
This is not bad.
You have a lot of.
Oh god.
That's what cut me off last time too. On the freaking
Dink
video,
it.
I was about to dink it. Dink it. Dink nothing. Dink it.
Oh god. No, not again.
I had green.
No.
Memories of death are coming back. Oh, that tastes really good though.
I'm done. Alright.
I went for another.
Oh, jeez. Are we doing this a separate video or doing all of it together?
Separate.
Well, that was it for this video. It was pretty quick. It was pretty good. It's not as bad as those red spice that ghost pepper.
No.
Okay, but it is about to be for you.
I'm at like 16. So.
Alright, well, yeah. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, and curry!